How can you tell if a vehicle mileage has been tampered with? The THINKTOOL 191 reveals the truth. THINKCAR newly released ODO check feature, short for multi-system mileage verification. Analyze mileage data from multiple vehicle systems to determine the vehicle's actual mileage. Let's start scan multi-system mileage information now. To check how it works, ODO check. By cross-check the mileage from each system to detect potential tampering. If the mileage reported by one system doesn't match the others, it's a strong indicator that the odometer may have been altered. Automotive diagnostic has never been easier.